When you have external people come in, at the end of the day, they are professionals and they know what they're doing, as well as the lecturers here, which are amazing. But, you know, the industry professionals really help. And sometimes they cover different things that the lecturers might not, because it's not in the curriculum, or, you know, so coming in, and it gives you a whole different insight into a way the professional industry works.
I think it showed us more like a broader scope of the devising process, in which obviously helps more than just your acting. It helps with directing, or people who are leading on to be teachers. It helps us understand how to create. It's not just the reading of the paper. You think about the punctuation, and before you even look at the script, you have to know your characters.
We've just had a workshop with Anna, who is the Associate Director on the touring production of The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Night Time. That's a National Theatre production, and it was so exciting to have someone at that level coming in to work directly with our students. Today's workshop specifically looking at actioning. Some of our students have already covered that in the first year, and being able to put some of what they've already learned into practice in a workshop with someone who's working at such a high level in the industry is a real confidence boost to them, but also kind of reinforces the teaching that we're doing on the course and helps them to develop those specific skills. The workshop today, as well as the production that came in a few weeks ago, are extracurricular activities, and, you know, as a university we really place a high value on those additional opportunities that we provide for our students outside of taught module time.